Take 2. How to use the rectangular grid tool in Illustrator. First thing to do, just go to the line segment tool and select that, and then go down to the rectangular grid tool. And once you've done that, you can then drag the design out. Obviously it uses the current settings for the rectangular grid. You can then set the stroke, width, etc. And you can also use variable width profiles. Create a variety of different grids using that. You can also change the colour of the grid, so you don't have to keep, obviously, as before. You can just go for, say, like red grid. You can also, that's by changing the stroke, as well as changing the actual fill, so you can make it different colours. Double click the actual rectangular grid tool to actually bring up the settings, so you can set it 5, 5, 10, 15, etc. Click OK, and then get rid of that one and drag out the actual grid again. So you can now see it's got less cells now. You can change the colour again. You can do a variety of other things. You can go to the strokes panel, make dashed lines, etc. Go to the object menu and expand if you want to expand it. Once you've done that, you can also just go and just join it all. Just go to the Pathfinder and join and combine, unite. You can also use things like the live paint and just fill in the various grid cells. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.